When is the release date for Star Wars Ahsoka Season 2? Fans have been waiting eagerly, and the answer reveals exciting surprises about the future of the Star Wars saga. The official release date for Star Wars Ahsoka Season 2 is December 6, 2023. Disney Plus announced this highly awaited date during their recent fan event. Fans can mark their calendars for the start of a new chapter in Ahsoka Tano's story, continuing the adventures set after Season 1. This timing places the show right in the holiday season, perfect for binge watching and celebration. Expect Season 2 to deepen Ahsoka's journey, exploring her quest for justice and truth after the events of Season 1. The show promises to tie into other Star Wars series and films, introducing new allies and formidable foes. The storytelling will blend action, mystery, and rich character development, keeping fans on the edge of their seats. Production for Season 2 wrapped up in mid-2023, featuring new directors who bring fresh vision to the series. The team focused on high-quality visual effects and choreography to elevate the action scenes. This investment in production quality hints at a visually stunning season that matches the storytelling depth. So now you know that Star Wars Ahsoka Season 2 will strike back on December 6, 2023, with thrilling new stories and spectacular visuals. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and never miss a cosmic update.